instead of just creating a rectangle, we're going to create what?
It has to be a square.
A square. So I'm going to now draw the picture that you all have created. X squared. And how many x's did you put on this side? Three. All right. How many x's on this side?
3. Had to be the same since you told us it had to
Has to be a square. And it's interesting to watch kids because some of them will start making rectangles and I go, no, it's supposed to be a square. So you have to add, and this is a really approximate drawing, but we can see that we have how many ones? 9. What's interesting now is to ask our students, why did you split the x's the way you did? You had 6 x's. Why didn't you do 4 and 2? 5 and 1?
Because it had to be a square.
Had to be a square.
Both sides.
So they'll say, oh, you have to split it in half. So this is how we can get our kids to go from, okay, you need to take b, which is, remember, ax squared plus bx plus c. This is where b divided by 2 comes from. All right, and now, so how does that relate to 9? What did you do then with these 3? You squared it. Oh my goodness. Look at that, b over 2 squared. How much more sense does this make now that we have done it with tiles than me just coming out and saying, to complete a square, you have to take b term, divide by 2, and then square it and add, and don't forget to add it to both sides and that kind of thing. This makes so much more sense, right?
When I first introduced my kids to the algebra tiles, they really didn't want to mess with it. They said, teach me the algorithm and let's just move on. And I said, no, we're going to learn this, we're going to do it. I said, because eventually you're going to see the value in it. When we got to factoring with the algebra tiles, it was like the light bulbs came on and they said, oh, and they like it now. And,
Well, thank
and
you for
now
sharing.
they will go get the algebra tiles out and use them themselves.
What a great example of
will.
that. What a great example. And Deirdre?
I'm ashamed to say that I did not use this in Algebra 2 when I did completing the square, but I will with Algebra 1.
Thank you for sharing.
I will. Because I do see, I mean, I think it's an easy concept anyway,
Right.
but they don't. But I do see how it will make more sense of why we're actually doing that.
Yes.
So, shame on me, but I will change.
Thank you so much for sharing. From this, of course, we can take our students to solving quadratics by factoring, right? So these expressions can turn into equations.